Louis Vuitton Odeon tote.
Today I'm going to do the unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton Odeon tote. So I got this today. Here's my receipt. So I got the PM size. Here you go. The SA said this just came out about 3 or 4 months ago. This model is called the Odeon Tote PM. So I like this little tag here. Just put this down. And it came with a little strap. So what I really like about this, the shoulder strap is I can wear it with the shoulder, or I can wear it crossbody. So I am 5'4", so it's about the right size for me. So I have my Speedy 30. So let's see what I can fit inside. I have my sunglasses. Small makeup pouch. My wallet. Hand sanitizer. So this is very roomy. I can fit my phone. Has one large pocket here.